ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
गवर्नमेंट और आप लोग का यूनियन का सब कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है आप लोग कीजिए लेकिन पब्लिक को ज़्यादा कस्टमर दीजिए मेरा कहना है
Hadi maki pulit kila kemno ish phongut ki dekhot jong ki HNYF nomor ke jing khanglen ti jong ki yeki nong jong kai ki betmu balet kai pangat shikit han sora ba shikit han daw ki usambut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba Prestone den song wala pen paw jing snodiaw ba ke HNYF kan le Kumto bar habai kan bakila pathai khobor lakran sha ba ka sarkar kan maila satya yaki ban le Kumto bat ai ba ka an kan le yak badan kam Ulong berada kadan kanu ke bakim skoya hap klade benwan syakamit jang jing kran om banchule da kabor kumbele ki Khynnah red ha tengar.
Well, it is very unfortunate that incident happened today. We were not aware even, and we never expected that few group of people will just do like that. And let me just tell you very, very bluntly that the law has taken its own course. We will not allow such things to happen again. Let me be very, very clear about it. Any issues you have, we are there to discuss. The door is open. Sit down, discuss, and then come to a solution. I think that is very important. Be it anybody in the government. I think that is the principle of democracy, where we need to discuss, sit down across the table, and thereafter resolve the issues. But not the behavior done by few young boys like they did today at Tengar. I think that is totally wrong. So let the law take its own course, and the police has done their duty. And my only request once again is to anybody, to anyone, to any stakeholders. Any issue you have, let us sit down across the table and we discuss, and we'll come out to a solution. Well, see, if you talk about ILP, it's not only ILP alone. Resolution was passed, and we have been following up, and we are following up, and we are going to follow it up till the end. Be it ILP implementation, be it the languages we demanded, we would like to see that it happen in our state. And this one we are unison. It's not only government alone who wanted implementation of ILP or who wanted languages be considered in Meghalaya, but this aspiration happens to each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya. So therefore, since the issue is not within our authority, we need central government. We have met the leadership of the central government time and again we are going to meet the government of India. We will again impress upon, and recently CM, he has already met the Prime Minister. He has already discussed again about these issues, but we will not end on that. We will again go and meet and knock the door of the central government and keep pressurizing central government to consider the resolution passed by the Assembly.
Usnem arjar arpo, uday usnem uba ka pertay baro kaway ka mat ya ka jingjar sosat nagadaw ka jingwan lan shop ka klam COVID-19. Day hakane ka por, bagi nongsang snong jongane ka jala jongiru, ki im hapdeng ka jingjar, ki im hapdeng ka jing kordet, bat ka kim khay, namar balak hang dam lut, ya baro, ya ka yat ka yeng, ka kit ka ba, ka tiet ka pet, nadong syadong. Kum kaway na kilat patay kubor kabalarung siya kikendong kan srot lahasor nilahanong kendong. Ngilabon jad kijing kibagi ba kia kendo hagapor lockdown. Kaway na kita kijing kabangi kendo hagapor lockdown kaday kabam.
Habang yong kabam hakajat bin riu jongi nengong deu kau udai upiat kasini kamlu kadok kha bat kumta terter.
Haot. Na pedang kini kimarba, kat tu kat ni ngilaban yo, na kadi kazala ka jongiru. Henry kat no Kibabun hi ni haban shanya na bahar. Mentang ngilala na kiti kijing kibabaro yang kendu hakapor lockdown. Henry kum kazala ni haban kendet benriu. Kenang bangin dobla ben penbiang daladi yaladi. La kalong hakabam kadi kakup kasem karyam kabed berkum ta terter.
Lingba kan kubor ya lap ya riu. Minyo bani mirjingot kum no bangila ban poi syakatong bat ban longru kum kata kerensan ka ban plilat ikipat ba ban penpau ya kejing snow ke jongki hakakam ba kejing don kam hakakam bat ba kasor karu kan la ban snap ikita kejing don kam namar klam kejing tailang ke jong upat ba bat kasor kar kajala kan mla ban yeng halak ke jong ki kejan
Tunggu nyepet menta ki jing ki ba khanglat ikipat ba jongi bat ki kejinan kam jongki ka ba kasor kar ka hapan le
Lengba ka batesi TV. Ngiwan ra yagani ka kubor yalap yari. Habar ben usaipan
Jat bin riu kasan